Here in Hawaii, I have been receiving the most incredible gifts that I just have been enjoying so much. And those gifts are in the form of local produce. Have you ever seen anything like this? This is called a soursop. It was grown right here, a tropical fruit that I had never tasted before coming to Hawaii. And it's delicious. This one is ripe, and I'm going to cut it open. So all week I've been enjoying wonderful local produce. Papaya, something that I'm not crazy about in New York City. Here, I've been eating a papaya every morning. Pineapple. The pineapples here are like candy. That's something that I love doing when I'm traveling to a place that's so far away from the East Coast of America. Finding what fruit is grown locally, finding the fruit that's in season, and then just kind of devouring it. And right now, I'm going to open this soursop. I also have a cocoa fruit, cocoa, cacao, same thing. It's where chocolate comes from. I think I'm going to take that to the beach and have that there. Lucy, let's open the soursop together. So, the way I was taught how to tell if this is ripe. You press on it, and if it gives, then it means it's ready to eat. And this is really soft, so I think we're good to go. It's kind of spiny and spiky on the outside. It has this white flesh on the inside, and in the middle is a hard spine that you don't eat, but oh wow, so it smells incredible. It smells citrusy and like floral, like a sweet flower. And the way this is eaten, so the spine has come out on this side, and this side is free from the spine, and then this gets opened up. Oh, it's very ripe. And the fruit is actually in segments, that each segment has a little black seed on the inside. You just put this in your mouth. It's a little black seed. So it's tangy, kind of citrusy, like lemony, more like lime. It tastes like lime, but floral. It's kind of it's like, it tastes kind of like a rose, like a condensed milk with a rose flavor. Mmm, delicious. This is the sort of thing that I have been eating every day as dessert. We've been going to the markets and looking at the local fruit, seeing what's ripe, bringing it home, and then after dinner, I pick one. Not only soursop, bananas. The bananas they grow here, there's all kinds of different varieties of bananas, and they're so good. Once you eat tropical fruit in its native land when it's ripe, it's very hard to go back to New York and buy the same thing from the grocery store and eat it. It's just not the same. This is incredible.
Beautiful flower on the island of Hawaii. Lay low, Keilani, lay low, Keilani,
This is the cocoa fruit. Cocoa or cacao, same thing. It was domesticized thousands of years ago in Central America, and this is where chocolate comes from. So when I was growing up, my mom would often reminisce about walking to school and passing a house on their way to school where a lady had trees that grew these fruit, and she grew these fruit for chocolate. And my mom said that the taste of the cocoa fruit was so good. So this is something that has been in my head for 20 years, 25 years. And when I was here in Hawaii last year, we were at the botanical gardens and I saw the cocoa fruit growing on the tree. And I was so happy. So yesterday when this showed up, I was thrilled. I've never tried this before. Brought it to the beach. So here we go. It looks like something from outer space. I mean, look at this thing. Okay. And this is what the inside looks like. It's these bits, and there's actually not a lot of flesh in the fruit. Most of it is actually seed. But what you do, apparently, this is what my mom talked about. Okay, I'm very excited. You take one of these, sort of gelatinous, and So you're supposed to spit out the seed, but I felt like I could bite it, so I'm biting it, and it tastes chocolatey. I'm probably not supposed to be eating this part. There's the inside. This is the part that you ferment and then grind into chocolate. Let's try another one. Tastes like a milder form of soursop. Kind of looks like soursop too. Well, I think I have to eat like 6 or 7 of these to really get the experience because it's a little underwhelming. Mom, what were you talking about? cocoa fruit. This is where your chocolate comes from, folks. Thousands and thousands of years ago in Central America. There you have it.